Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a cleaning hack.
It's been a while since I wanted to try the Scrub Mommy Sponge and the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste to deep clean my stovetop. And now it's the perfect time with my stovetop looking like this. You can see we cook a lot. There are a lot of crumbs, spills, grease, food residue and burnt on food stains. I really need to replace this stovetop because it's not working properly anymore. I will get a different type because this one is so hard to clean and it takes so much time to clean. I want a more simple one, a stainless steel one. In the gazebo's kitchen that I use in the summer, I have a stainless steel one and it's so easy and quick to clean. When the stovetop is clean, the kitchen looks clean and put together. But with this stovetop, so hard and time-consuming to clean, I always dread it and the kitchen looks dirty. I showed you I have to deep clean the backsplash too. On camera it doesn't show all the grease, but it's very dirty. On my channel I have a lot of cleaning hacks videos. If you're interested, I will link that playlist at the end. Today I'm thrilled to deep clean my stovetop though because I love to test new cleaning products. I will use these two beauties. First I remove the racks and the burner caps, then spray them with a degreaser and let them sit while I clean the stovetop. This cleaning paste is a versatile, specially formulated vegetable oil-based cleaner for both inside and outside the home. It has 99% natural ingredients, is environmentally non-toxic, and it's not tested on animals. This vegan cleaning paste is tough on trainers, saucepans, cooker tops, sinks, PVC, barbecues, ceramic tiles, glass, showers, garden furniture, paintwork, boats, brass, rust, and much more.
And I know you never mean it, gets you in though. Did you call me cause you had to? Cause you know I'd throw your suitcase out the window. I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry, I got better things to do. Tell your friends I will be just fine.
With this paste I use the Scrub Mommy Sponge. It's a dual-sided scrubber plus sponge. The scrubber side is made from the same foam that the famous Scrub Daddy is made. The sponge side absorbs more water and generates more soap suds than an ordinary sponge. This Scrub Mommy sponge is soft in warm water and firm in cool water. It's scratch-free and odor-resistant. Just scrub, flip and wipe. Here I am using a Veleda rag to deep rinse the stovetop and the backsplash. Then I wipe it dry with a microfiber cloth and remove all the tough burnt-on food with a scraper. A scraper is an awesome cleaning tool you should have in your home. All the scratches you see on my stovetop are not from the scraper or from the Scrub Mommy sponge. I have been scratching this stovetop for years by trying different things to clean it, but now I know what works and what doesn't.
I don't need
For a perfect look, I will shine everything with glass cleaner.
Nothing like wine. Nothing like wine. I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven. I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons.
For those hard to reach places, I use a butter knife. Then I will scrub thoroughly all the racks and the burner caps with that cleaning paste. It smells really nice, like berries, I would say.
On and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see.
The Scrub Mummy is safe on non-stick pans, stainless steel and other delicate surfaces. It can be sanitized in your dishwasher. The eyes provide an ergonomic grip with just 2 fingers to mold into corners and reach deep into cups. And the smile cleans both sides of your spoons, spatulas, and other utensils. It can be used on cabinets and hardware, floors, walls, baseboards, dishes, fridge, produce, counters, cutting boards, lawn furniture, swing sets, fences, deck railings, shower, sink, toilet, fixtures, cabinets, and much more. The stovetop is clean and the racks and burner caps are drying. When they're dry, I put them back and that's it. Now my stovetop area is sparkling clean. No more grease, crumbs, or burnt on food. So shiny! Please let me know in the comments below if you ever tried the pink stuff cleaning paste and the Scrub Mummy sponge. I will definitely test them out on other surfaces too. These racks are stained and it's nothing I can do about. I love the result even if it's not perfect, but is so much better than before. I hope today's video inspired you to deep clean your stovetop or other area in your home that needs to. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!